Fleece is a soft, warm fabric made from synthetic fibers used to make warm clothing and accessories. Fleece is a knit fabric and can be cut without fraying. This makes fleece a great choice for no-sew projects, while the stretch in fleece makes it a comfortable choice for active, lounge, and outerwear. The differences between the right and wrong side of fleece are subtle. On printed fleece, the design will appear more crisp right side up, and on solid fleece, the side with the higher loft in fibers is considered the right side. Still not sure? Cut a narrow strip across the top of your fabric and pull across the grain. The edges will curl towards the wrong side. To avoid confusion while sewing, use a disappearing ink pen or other marking method to mark the wrong side of each piece. When cutting patterns out of fleece, take into consideration the nap of the fabric and cut all pattern pieces facing one direction, usually with a downward nap. Because fleece is a thicker fabric, it's often more comfortable and accurate to cut one layer at a time using sharp fabric scissors or a rotary cutter with a fresh blade. Choose a fleece or ballpoint needle for sewing. Fleece will dull blades and needles faster than other fabrics. Change needles and blades frequently for best results. Avoid stretching fleece as you sew. Use a walking foot or reduce the tension on the presser foot. Use a polyester thread and longer stitch length. For seams that need to stretch, use a small zigzag or stretch stitch. The pile-on fleece will hide most stitch lines, so it's a great opportunity to use up leftover colors of thread. When sewing garments, reduce bulk at the seams by trimming back seam allowances and stitching the edge with a zigzag or overcast stitch. Or stitch seam allowances flat as a faux, flat fell, or double top stitch seam. Since fleece will not fray, you can leave hems raw or turn once to hem without the bulk.